Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be trying to make this rose again, but in a different way as I did last time. So I am just going to dust this entire thing with this chameleon powder that's magenta colored, and then I'll move on to the next step.
Calling, feel the summer's embrace. Let's leave behind the world and find our space. Let's go swim in the river tonight, splashing under the moon's soft light. These are the fun days, let's hold them tight. Let the water dance, let's feel alive tonight. Steps on the cool, soft sand, laughter echoes, hearts unplanned. The river whispers, secrets so sweet. Dive into freedom, let our souls meet.
It is later the same day, and I'm going to go ahead and get these demolded. All right, ooh, look how pretty that looks. Okay, so let's take out this pocket plug. Let's just see something here. What's that? Okay, so basically it's just gonna go like that. That's gonna go like that, so it'll stay in there. Okay. All right, there we go. Ooh, pretty. Okay, here's the bottom. That looks really nice. That's the sides. And then I'm going to use my little picture hanging tools to get that to stay in there. But I'm going to turn this on so you can see. The top all lit up, and look at that. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, shake that out, get that off there. Okay, there. So now it won't fall. See, I can hold it like that and it's fine. And now I can turn it on or off, and I'll be back with some final pictures. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you have a great day.